Hi there, I'm doing a treble crochet stitch. So for that stitch, you will skip 4 chains. You're going to insert your hook into the 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, so over here, 5. Before we insert it, we're going to yarn over 2 times and then insert your hook into that chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. So you have 4 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. And that is a treble crochet stitch in US terms. So we'll do that again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next chain stitch, yarn over to pull up a loop. So you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. And you will just continue to do that in each stitch of your foundation chain. And last stitch. When you get to the end of the row, you will chain 4, turn your work like you're flipping a page in a book, and we're going to insert right into that first stitch. So again, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the first stitch, and from the top it's going to look like a little V. Yarn over, pull up a loop, so you have those 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is the treble crochet stitch.